Hey everybody, it's Cindy and I'm getting ready for my Bible study and I want to encourage you today. I was praying and reading the word early this morning and I just felt the Lord really speak to me this word of encouragement. And part of it was out of the Psalms. So I'm going to read a little bit of the Psalms to you. It says the precepts of Adonai are right, rejoicing the heart. It says the commandments of Adonai is pure, enlightening our eyes. And I was just reading about Elisha and how when the enemy was coming against him, his servant was so afraid. And Elisha said, Lord, open up his eyes, enlighten his eyes so he could see the things of the Spirit. And the Lord opened up the eyes of his servant and he could see surrounding the army that was against him, this heavenly host of chariots and horses that were there to fight for them. So I want you to know that God is fighting for you, that he has all these invisible things in the spiritual realm right beside you. There's angels all around us. There's warriors fighting on behalf of us. And he has all of his being surrounding us, fighting with us. And his word is enlightening us and telling us, let my eyes be open to the spiritual thing of you, God. And let my heart know that you are fighting the battle with me and for me. And one of the things the Lord was speaking to me, and I just want to speak this over to you because I feel like what he shared with me is for all of us. But one of the things he shared with me is keep doing what you're doing. Keep moving forward. Keep your eyes focused on who I am and going with me because there's strength in that moving forward. And he said, there's many change going on in the way you're able to see and the vision that is before you. But you're able to see me, the Lord, in the midst of you. So keep coming to the Lord for revelation. So be encouraged that the Lord is with us. His heavenly host is surrounding us, warring for us. There are strategies being given to us. And just like Elisha's servant, our eyes are being opened to see what is available to us from the heavenly realm. So be encouraged, know that God is with you, and keep moving forward and doing what you're doing. So bless you guys. Love y'all. Bye.